word is number 11th word is sufficient. And what is the meaning of sufficient? It is enough. Okay, now we will search what is the opposite of sufficient. Yes, opposite of sufficient will be insufficient. So answer will be insufficient. Now next word is healthy. And what is the meaning of healthy? Dear students, healthy means in a good physical or mental condition. Okay, now we will see what is the opposite of healthy. Yes, healthy, unhealthy. So answer will be unhealthy. Healthy, unhealthy. Okay, now number 13 word is movable. And what is the meaning of movable? Movable means capable of being moved. Yes, now we'll see what is the opposite of movable. Movable, immovable. Now, answer of movable will be immovable. Now, number 14th word is used. And what is the meaning of used? Used mean something that was owned, means second hand. And now we will see what is the opposite of used. Used, unused. So answer will be unused. Used, unused. Now number 15th word is visible. And what is the meaning of visible? Visible means able to seen. Able to be seen. And now we will search what is the opposite of visible. Visible? Yes, invisible. Visible, invisible. So answer will be invisible. Now number 16th word is steady. And what is the meaning of steady? Steady means firmly fixed.